Guys, what's up? It's Isaiah from Crazy Kids, and I'm here with Jacob from Jacob Awesome. Check out his channel called Jacob Awesome. And I went to the dollar store that we have over there and bought some pretty stupid things.
Only because they have really stupid stuff there.
Yeah, and I said that I get some stupid stuff to open. So, what do you think, Jacob? Should I open this, one of these pins, this squeaky toy? I think it's a hot dog mixed with a hamburger. Maybe. And then, or ping pong ball.
Maybe it's the chili dog.
Or a ping pong ball. Which one?
The chili dog. The chili dog.
The chili dog. Now, let's see what's in there. Now I gotta move my mess that I made earlier of all my other things. And set my thing right there. Get my scissors. Open this thing. I'm not sure that this is going.
Just get my dog to come over. He'd chew it up within like 2 days. That's a long time for dogs. He likes his toys.
How should I open this, Jacob?
I don't know. Get a dog. I have 4 of them.
Here.
Use one of your.
While I open this, I'm having technical difficulties, so I'll come back when I have it opened. Okay? So, as we're finally almost have it open, we had to get a knife. So, let's see the end product. Okay? So, we're finally getting it opened. And here it is. That was not what I expected. What? There is nothing inside.
I know it made the squeak though. It was a plastic thing with certain air holes that when you put the air through it made like a whistling sound. Like
I never thought that what is in a squeaky toy would be that. Okay, I guess there it is. Okay, now, where's my other thing? Should we open the ping pong ball or the markers next?
I'm saving the best for last. And we got scissors. That's an easy way.
I'll open it old-fashioned way.
The manly way. Alright, I'll just grab this one. Oh,
Dang, this feels so soft.
No, these are really good ones.
Come on.
These don't dent or anything.
I don't think that's going to work. Oh, wait.
That's fine. Maybe if we like get them soft or something.
How do we get them soft?
I don't know. Oops.
They just broke the scissors. Show them. We shouldn't have used that scissors.
I told you the ping ball is pretty solid.
Okay.
Yeah, the knife is never gonna work. I'm gonna see if I can put this back together so your parents don't yell at me. Wait. That's that part. I was wondering why.
So, we're not going to open this one because he just broke the scissors. Now, which color should I do, Jacob? I'm going to do pink.
Blue. Oh yeah, pink. Pink's better than blue. That was easy.
Yeah, that was really easy.
Lucky. I broke.
You're going to get in so much trouble. There's the 2 pieces. They're going to find out when it's not in where it's supposed to be. Whoa. I should use this as a prank on one of my parents.
I'll just
There's Sherman in my home.
I don't get fixed.
That is sad. So, that is what is in marker and
Squeaky toy, it's over there. Do it. And don't try ping pong balls with a scissor.
yeah, or anything.
Because your mom or your dad or whoever you're living with will kill you if you break them.
So, this is Isaiah from Crazy Kids, here with the man who broke the scissors, Jacob, from Jacob Awesome. Check out his channel.
Hi!
And we will
Just kidding. Sorry.
see you next time.